They haven't plowed the rows yet. I don't know if you can see that. There's my neighbor with the Arians. Maybe we should have a blow off. That Arians does pretty good, even though it's wheeled. He got that for $12.99, $8.26, I think. There's my front yard. Now the plow hasn't come down here yet. But we're gonna see if we can rescue the hydrant, if I can get up there. It's blowing pretty good. It's mainly dry. Really dry stuff. Now I have to go where the cars have gone. Holy mackerel. Yeah, Lake Tahoe snowstorm. Lake Tahoe, California. It's our first good snowstorm of the year. I can't go too fast because it's so deep. People around here are still waiting for their plow service. Oh, that was blowing back in my face. This is my trusty old 80. Now it's blowing the other way. Great. So wherever I put the chute. Alright, now it's blowing away. Oh, there's the hydrant. Let's see if I can get in there. Come on, baby, you get up there. I got the tracks. Come on. Ugh. Gonna have to go up this hill. There you go. Come on. Okay, not too bad. Ugh. Nothing like tank drive. I don't know, it looks like it's blowing pretty good. Come on, let's go. Gotta go up this little hill. The hydrant's it's kind of protected by trees. That's why it's not buried. You got big trees up there. Well, now that I made a cut, I don't have to take a full bucket. I could take a half a bucket. You still can't go very fast, though. I just love this old 80. It's like a tank. It goes through anything. Come on. I gotta go up a little hill. Must be ice. I'm hitting ice from when the plow came the other day. Oh shit! I was hitting some dirt. I don't want to hit dirt. Pardon my language. Alright. I'll come back with a shovel. Clean that up a little bit. It looks like it's throwing it pretty good. There's my house. I got some snowblowers on the side. I might have to dig them out. You can hear the engine. Oh, the engine's laboring a little bit. I'm taking too much of a bite. See, I did this street earlier when there was about a foot. Now it looks like another 6 to 8 inches. I like to do up the street so the plow doesn't leave me much of a berm. That's the whole idea. I just did this a couple hours ago. I like to keep on top of it. Thanks for watching.